Marketing secrets to attract high-end buyers for your condo. Luxury buyers buy more than a condo. They buy a lifestyle. In Sunny Isles Beach, high-end buyers are looking for exclusivity, sophistication, and the perfect waterfront experience. If your condo isn't marketed correctly, it could get lost in an ocean of listings. Today, we're revealing the proven strategies that attract serious buyers, generate competitive offers, and position your condo as the must-have property on the market. I'm Candias, luxury real estate expert. Let's get started. High quality visuals create first impressions. In the luxury market, first impressions happen online before a buyer even enters your property. The quality of your listing's photos and videos can make or break a buyer's interest. Professional real estate photography is a non-negotiable. Buyers expect high-resolution images that showcase the space's natural light and architectural details. Take it a step further with cinematic video tours and drone footage. A sweeping aerial shot of your condo's ocean views and amenities creates an emotional connection before buyers even visit. Every detail must exude luxury, from the angle of the shot to the lighting and staging. Visuals should capture the lifestyle buyers are investing in. Strategic listing descriptions that sell. Luxury buyers don't just look at specs, they respond to stories. Your listing description should transport them into the experience of living in your condo. Instead of just listing 3-bed, 3-bath, 2,500 square feet, paint the picture. Wake up to panoramic ocean views from the 25th floor. Enjoy an espresso on a private terrace. Unwind in a spa-inspired primary bath. Highlight rare exclusive features. Private elevator entry, a wine cellar, a custom chef's kitchen. Buyers want to know what sets your condo apart. Details matter. Luxury buyers are looking for craftsmanship, premium materials, and seamless design. Make sure your descriptions reflect that. Targeted digital marketing that reaches the right buyer. Marketing a luxury condo is not about reaching everyone. It's about reaching the right buyers. A strategic digital marketing plan ensures your condo is seen by the right individuals worldwide. Social media advertising is one of the most powerful tools. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn allow targeted campaigns to buyers actively searching for luxury real estate. High-end real estate platforms like Mansion Global, The Wall Street Journal, and Financial Times property listings attract buyers actively looking for exclusive properties. A well-executed digital strategy increases exposure, drives engagement, and ensures your listing is seen by qualified buyers. The power of private showings and exclusive events. Luxury buyers expect a personalized buying experience. Private showings and invite-only open houses create a sense of exclusivity and urgency. Instead of a traditional open house, consider a curated event, a sunset champagne tour, a chef-prepared tasting in the kitchen, or a private yacht pickup for showings. These types of experiences allow buyers to connect emotionally with the space and envision themselves living the lifestyle that it has to offer. Exclusivity sells. When buyers feel they're gaining access to something rare, they're more likely to act quickly, leveraging a strong network of luxury buyers and agents. In the high-end market, relationships drive sales. The best buyers are often found through a curated network, not just online listings. Top producing real estate professionals and well-connected realtors with diverse networks have access to off-market buyers, investors, and international clients looking for their next luxury property. Collaborations with luxury real estate experts, financial advisors, and wealth managers can bring in a buyer who is ready to invest. The right marketing strategy combines both digital exposure and powerful connections to ensure your condo is in front of qualified, serious buyers. What's next? You take action. Here are a few tips to get started. Audit your listing's online presence. Ensure professional photos, videos, and descriptions accurately showcase the lifestyle your condo offers. Research which high-end platforms and social media channels your ideal buyer engages with, and then tailor your marketing accordingly. Consider hosting an exclusive invitation-only event for serious buyers to create a sense of urgency and exclusivity. Everything from high-quality visuals to strategic digital exposure and exclusive showings plays a role in attracting the right buyers. Last but not least, you are not alone. If any of this seems like more than you'd want to handle, contact me today for your luxury consultation, where I'll provide you with a custom game plan on how to properly market and price your property so that you can sell it for the best price in the fastest time possible. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more real estate insights. And for more detailed tips on selling in Sunny Isles Beach, grab your Sunny Isles VIP guide, your go-to resource for navigating this thriving market. Thanks for watching.